In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app and then tap right here at the top left on your profile picture or at your Bitmoji. After that, you will be taken to this page where you should tap at that gear to open up settings. On settings, scroll all the way down until at privacy controls you will find blocked users. You can just tap on it, and what that will do, that will show you all users you have blocked on Snapchat, and from here you will be able to quickly unblock any user from that list simply by hitting at that cross icon next to user's name, and then it asks you, are you sure you want to unblock that user? Just hit at yes to unblock them. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.